Alice, now older, sat by her window, reminiscing about her strange adventure in Wonderland. The memory felt more like a distant dream, one she had almost convinced herself wasn't real, until a glimmer in her mirror caught her eye. As she leaned closer, the mirror rippled, pulling her in. She tumbled down a whirl of colors, landing on a field unlike any she remembered from Wonderland. This Wonderland was twisted and shadowed, as if trapped in a fractured reflection. Familiar sights looked warped, and the once colorful world now lay under a bleak gray sky. She spotted the Cheshire Cat, though he appeared different, his smile fractured like shards of glass. "Alice," he greeted with a sad grin. "Wonderland is not as you remember. The Queen of Mirrors rules now, and she demands that everyone see themselves as she does. Fragmented reflections, stripped of their true selves." Alice's heart sank. She soon encountered the caterpillar, struggling to remember who he was, his body shifting, as if caught in a mirror's reflection. "You're the wise caterpillar," she reminded him, gently placing her hand on him. A faint light returned to his eyes as he nodded. With Cheshire's guidance, Alice set out across Wonderland, helping its inhabitants reclaim their identities. She found the Mad Hatter, who sat at an empty table in muted grays, his usual liveliness dulled. She held his hands, reminding him of tea parties and unbirthdays, and his colors returned. Others followed, March Hare, Tweedledee Tweedledum, all haunted by the Queen's spell. Piece by piece, Alice helped them remember who they were. Leading a group of true-hearted Wonderlanders, Alice approached the Queen's palace, a fortress of twisted mirrors. Inside, the Queen of Mirrors awaited, her reflection filling the mirrored walls. "Wonderland is mine now, Alice," she said coldly. "A place of perfect uniformity." Alice held up a small mirror she brought, urging, "Look at yourself. See who you really are." For a fleeting moment, the Queen's reflection flickered from her polished image to one of a lonely woman, her mask cracking. As her illusion broke, the mirrors around them shattered, and Wonderland's colors began to return. The inhabitants regained their quirks and uniqueness, and the land returned to its chaotic beauty. The Cheshire Cat reappeared, his grin whole again. "You've saved us, Alice." Alice smiled, understanding. "Identity is the most precious thing we have." Returning to her room, Alice touched her mirror one last time, feeling the magic within it. Wonderland was no dream. It was a reminder to cherish her own uniqueness and to treasure the identity of those around her.